Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I will share with you some amazing tips on how to make money with the internet. With the digital world constantly evolving, the internet offers several opportunities for those who want to venture and profit. So, if you want to know how to create a blog or a website, one of the most popular ways to make money with the internet is to create a blog or a website. Choose a topic that you like and have knowledge about and start producing quality content. Over time, you can monetize your site through affiliate programs, ads, sales of digital products, among other forms. Sell online. If you have sales skills, the internet is a great place to market your products or services. Use platforms such as Mercado Libre, OLX, or create your own virtual store to sell your products. Additionally, it is possible to work with affiliate programs and earn commissions for sales made. Be a digital influencer. With social media becoming increasingly popular, being a digital influencer has become a profitable profession. To stand out in this market, it is necessary to be authentic and have an engaged audience. With a large number of followers, it is possible to make money with advertising and partnerships. Do translations and transcriptions. If you are fluent in another language, you can offer translation or transcription services online. There are several online platforms that connect freelancers with companies that need these services. It is a great opportunity to work from home and make money with your language skills. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Great investment opportunity. There are several virtual currencies available in the market, and it is important to research and study before investing. Buying and selling cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative way to make money on the internet. So, did you like these tips on how to make money with the internet? As you saw, there are several possibilities to venture and profit on the internet. The important thing is to choose an area that you like